In a year, this is how it looked on Lamb between Charleston and Sahara. A street left in the dark by copper wire thieves that hit the area 5 times, knocking the lights out. Today, Clark County crews started repairing streetlights in the area in a way they hope will deter theft. The county says that crews have repaired lights along the stretch of road 4 times already after they were hit by the copper wire thefts. This time, they're doing things differently. Instead of installing the wires underground, crews put them up at the top of the streetlights, more than 15 feet high. And instead of using copper, they are using aluminum wire, which the county says has less value as scrap metal. Clark County Commission Chair Tick Segerblum says officials are also taking steps to catch the thieves.
We're working with the scrap metal dealers to make sure that they don't take this wire. We're working with police to identify people. But honestly, if the public sees something, you see somebody at the bottom of a street light sitting around there, call the cops because they're probably stealing the wire.
Crews also worked on lights along Sahara and Charleston today, but Segerblum says more work needs to be done. He says there are 300 spots in Clark County alone where copper wire has been stolen.